How do you get the most out of your compressed air equipment? By constantly monitoring its performance and by optimizing its efficiency and reliability accordingly. But who wants to sit in a hot and noisy compressor room all day? Thanks to Atlas Copco's innovative SmartLink remote monitoring, you don't have to. SmartLink lets you keep an eye on your compressor no matter where you are. Simply check its operational parameters from your computer or mobile device. SmartLink even suggests how you can make your compressor run more efficiently. This can save you a lot of money. But that's not all. If there is an issue with your compressor, SmartLink will send you an alert right away, via text message, push notification, and email. It will even tell you what the problem is and how you are most likely to fix it. Combined with maintenance and service alerts, this increases the reliability of your compressor. In addition, SmartLink puts all your manuals and technical information at your fingertips. So how do you get the most out of your compressed air equipment? With SmartLink from Atlas Copco.